Hi everybody, this is Jason here at the Children's Museum Houston. I am at the Science Station and I'm here to do a really fun activity called Seussian structures, and this activity is being brought to you by MD Anderson. So let's give them a big thank you and a round of applause. Today is Dr. Seuss's birthday, and so many of us love and cherish Dr. Seuss's books. I grew up on them, and I still have some of his books in my library to this day, from when I was a kid. Some new ones, but a lot from when I was a kid. We all love his poetic way of writing, his whimsical style, the way he can turn silly situations into life lessons, all that good stuff. But his art is also really fantastic. Whenever he draws things, they always seem a little sinewy and they seem thin and a little off kilter and weird and strange, and I love it. I'm sure, very certain, that he inspired some of the famous directors that we have today, like Tim Burton and Christopher Nolan, all those kind of guys, because of what they put on screen looks a lot like what he drew. Now we're going to make Seussian structures out of very simple materials. Packing peanuts that are made of cornstarch, both the regular sort of white kind and colored kind, and a wet sponge. That is all you need. And the reason why is these packing peanuts made of cornstarch, which is essentially the flour, F-L-O-U-R, flour of corn, is also used to make corn syrup, which is a sugar, and when you get sugars wet, they get sticky. So this is all you have to do. Let's say you get a package. Open that package up. You might find these inside. Go ahead and test them. The way you test them is this. You open them up. You take 2 cornstarch peanuts out. You wet the end of one of them on your sponge, and then if they stick together and don't fall, success. Now, oftentimes you will not get the cornstarch ones, you will get the plastic ones. That's okay. You can also buy these, find these all over the place. The colored ones are really rare to get like in a package, but I've even gotten some of these sometimes. So if you luck out with the colored ones, you've done well. After you've done that, think about the way Dr. Seuss drew. Remember, he drew things that were really thin and kind of spiky and moving around. When I was making this, one of my friends, John, actually said, this looks like something out of Whoville. And if you know Whoville, that's how the Grinch stole Christmas. So I was like really happy. And then he was the one who suggested, put some colored ones on, not everywhere, but some places, so that we can make it look very pop. So it pops right here, and it pops right there, and it pops all over these areas. So I'm going to add a few more just so you can see how these structures are formed. But one thing you have to be really careful of is balance. So if I put it here and it starts to tilt, I'm going to have to balance it. But it didn't. It was successful. And I'm just going to put one more here like that. Hopefully it won't fall. Success! And then I'm going to get one of my colored ones here. I'm going to get this purple one, and I'm just going to put it on the end. And success. And you can just keep on building these up and make a whole village of Whoville trees or buildings or whatever. It's a lot of fun. It's a rainy day, grab all the packing peanuts you can and make a whole entire city. It's really awesome. That's it. It's fun, it's inexpensive, it's something cool to do with your friends, your family, all of those people. So with that, I'm going to ask you to do something for me. If you build a Seussian structure out of cornstarch packing peanuts, take a picture of it, please, and post it to our social media sites. We have Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. We have it all. We would love to see what you build, because everyone's Seussian structure, trust me, is gonna be different. Also, if you are watching this on YouTube, there's a little red subscribe button. Hit that red subscribe button. That way, you can see all the videos we have to offer, including our Mr. Oh Wow moments, our science videos, our story times, and our Tater Tots Tot Tunes. It's really great stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna continue building my Seussian structure, but before I do, I'm gonna say goodbye. Once again, I am Jason, the Science Outreach Manager and Life Science Educator here at the Children's Museum Houston. Also want to thank MD Anderson one last time, and I really hope you're having a great day. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.